because we had that CPI come out, I'm like, I'm gonna sound like Moose here. We may get a retracement. We may get a retracement. We'll see. But if we do, we do. If we don't, we don't. You know what I'm saying? But we did have that bull flag right there print on the 5 minute. So. Well, good morning, YouTube. Good morning, Legacy Wealth Society. We're live. We're back. Thursday, December 18th. Crazy, getting so close to Christmas here. It's time to make some money a day. For everyone that's on the YouTube streams, today will be a short stream for me. We will be back for tonight's Traders Hangout at 9:30 p.m. Eastern. Today, I got to handle some things. And honestly, I'm not all like, you haven't, like, this is what I've learned. When you don't have, if you're not there completely mentally to trade, don't trade. But in respect to you guys, and I respect all you guys, that's why I'm showing up today, because I honestly do not feel like trading today, mentally. So instead of me trying to force everything like that today, I'm gonna sit on the sidelines. I am gonna call some stuff out, but I probably won't. I'm not trading any fundeds. I can tell you that right now. Not trading my fundeds, because we only got 7 days left to trade for this year. For me, I only got 7 days left to trade for this year. And I ain't trying to push anything. I'm working on getting a payout by January 2nd. I'm not taking them my payouts this month. I'm waiting until January 2nd for tax purposes. So we're waiting. A7, good morning. Well, good morning, sir. My wild man. What's up, dude? Welcome. How was your trading for your time? Because I know it was a different time for you. Because last time we talked, it was 7 a.m. for you. Last night. So it should be like afternoon for you now. Or, yeah. My short's not working. Let's see here. We got 8 minutes for market open. 8 minutes for market open. We're just gearing up, people. Gearing up to make some money. We need to make some money today, boys. That's all I'm saying. It's 5:22. Okay. Brett, good morning, sir. Good morning. My Canadian brothers in the chat. Love to see it. We had that CPI come out this morning at 8:30. Pushed the market up there. So we're going to wait to see what we get at market open here. No rushing today. Straight patience. Just leaving reminders here for the YouTube streams. I already told Legacy here. Today will be a short stream for me. I'm jumping off at 10 o'clock. Only because, honestly, boys, I'm not mentally there to trade today. And for me, I'm learning myself each and every day. And I've had days like this where mentally I wasn't ready or there to trade for the New York session, where I would still trade, and then I would get messed up in the markets and then wonder why. Like, man, why did I get messed up in the markets today? It's because I traded when mentally I wasn't there to trade. Because you gotta come to the markets clean and clear. If you're not clear and life is lifing, sometimes it's better to just sit on the sidelines for that day. Because your boy's pushing for some payouts with Tradeify. I'm trying to get everything secured for the payouts by the end of this year, so January 2nd I could request the payout. Technically, I could pretty much request the payout now, but wait until January. Wait until January. Welcome, everybody. Hopefully, you guys are having a great morning. And for my boy 87, a good afternoon, since it's 5:22 p.m. his time. Love to see it. Love to see that we're international. Gets me excited. Gets me excited, boys. Gets me excited. All right, so we just had another small bull flag print on the 2-minute chart. We're going looks like we're going to be pumping. But since we push up because of the news, that's why I'm always slightly hesitant. Because that market open, we may get a quick retracement. You at the top, brother? I'm trying to get there, 87. I'm trying to get to the top, dude. One day at a time. You can't rush the process. Is everyone ready for Christmas? Michael, I appreciate it, dude. I'm glad you like the vibe. Mike, question for you. What about the vibe do you like? Let's dive deeper. You know what I'm saying? Let's dive deeper here. What do you like about the vibe? Is it because it's just calm and collected? Okay, nice, Mike. Listen, trading, you don't need crazy. You don't need crazy. I preach base hits for a reason, because base hits gets to the payouts with prop firms. The home runs are nice, don't get me wrong, but base hits gets the payouts. I currently trade with Tradeify and Take Profit Trader. Currently getting ready to add a couple Lucid accounts as well.
How much is the Lucid account? How much are those?
They vary, but I'll actually pull them up real quick and I'll tell you the exact number here.
Yeah, because I got Tradeify and Take Profit.
Yeah. So with Lucid, for the Lucid Flex account, the 50K $78. Honestly, I may jump over to do the 150K. I've been testing out the 150K account with Tradeify, which I normally don't trade, but I've actually been enjoying it. Just mentally knowing you got so much more buffer.
Right. That's why I wanted to try that. I wanted to try that, Duane, because I'm like, man, if I try, at least I'll have more leeway, pretty much, you know. But I get what you're talking about.
Yeah, just mentally, it just helps. Yes, sir. Waiting for the first 15 minutes. So I'll excuse me. So I literally only have 15 minutes to trade today because I gotta get off the stream at 10 a.m. So I only have a window of 15 minutes to find a trade to execute if I jump in the market. Because like I said at the beginning of the stream, today I'm not mentally ready to trade. And whenever I feel this way, since I am growing as a trader, I gotta realize I should not take a trade. So not trading my fundeds, I switched over to an eval. So that way, if I do take a trade, I'm not putting at risk a funded account. Mike, you'll like Tradeify. The back office is really clean. They got the trading journal as well, which is clutch. But I've gotten payouts with Apex as well. I get payouts from TPT also. I do not trade Apex though anymore.
I don't think I told you. Oh, wait.
Hey, Duane, how do you put the wrinkle bars on trading?
On TradingView?
Yeah, I thought, didn't you add it yesterday during the hangout?
Yeah. So literally,
he got it saved on the legacy thing.
no. So on TradingView, all you do, if you want to have it side by side, you go to the top right where you see the big little box right before the magnifying glass with the little lightning. Click right there, change it to the side by side, click the right screen that will show up, and then just change your candle to Rinkos and drop it down to 1 second. Market is open. We're pushing here, boys. We're pushing, people. Got that pivot point above us, 344.50. 344.50 for that pivot point above us. And we're running and gunning to it. Gotta love it. That news this morning definitely saved the market because the market was consolidating a lot through the overnight session. And sure enough, consolidated, pushed up, consolidated some more. Then we had the push at the news at 8:30. So
to get to the lows, I'm gonna trade it on the top step.
Latavius, what's up, dude? Welcome. Alrighty, so this morning when I jumped on the charts here, I did put my line on the chart for the bull flag. As you can see here, this is a 5-minute chart. We definitely went up from there. Gotta love it. Mike, are you currently in the legacy or no? Because if you want to join the legacy, dude, click the link in the bottom of the description and join the founders group. It's completely free. Patience is key when it comes to trading. Patience is what actually makes you money. It's not clicking the buttons, actually just having patience and that discipline. So for me, I went back to basics because I was wondering, like, man, back mid-November around my birthday, I was trying to figure out why my trading wasn't hitting the same way. You know what I'm saying? I wasn't getting the same type of profits. And I realized it's because I was breaking one of my rules of trading in the first 15 minutes in that range before it was completed. Granted, I was trading like eval, stuff like that, but it would mess me up mentally because I may be green in one account, red in another, but as soon as my eyes see red, you know what I'm saying? As soon as my eyes see red on the chart, like, messes with me mentally sometimes. And I was doing that before trading my funded accounts. So now I ain't doing that no more. And it's been on and popping. Gotta love it. Mike, you're a smart man, dude. You're a smart man. Sometimes it's hard. Like yesterday, the market took a nice little dump right at 9:30, and the FOMO was real. I was ready to jump in. But I patiently waited. I waited yesterday until 10:30 to execute the first trade because after that first initial dump yesterday, the market, the market started consolidating and chopping, but I was still there, so I was able to jump in right after right when the momentum started going to the downside on the big old bear flag I called out, your boy took it. It made some money. Yeah, but I don't trade after 11-ish. After 11, I'm done. I check out.
What time zone?
Good morning, sir. Yeah, A7. The drop yesterday was pretty crazy. I was calling it the whole time. Like, listen, we're going to hit the 24,000s. Like, we're going to get in the 24,000s. Sure enough, we did. ABD. Good morning, sir. Trading the Nasdaq. Trading the Nasdaq futures. I want to see if we do a big retracement from that news candle. Because that may be in the cards for today. I'm doodling. I'm doodling, people. Be careful when I doodle. I'm only going to have 15 minutes to find a trade today if I execute one because I got to get off right about 10 o'clock. I got to handle a lot of stuff today. Family's flying out tonight to head up to Boston, be in the snow. So I got to handle stuff for OPG today, and I got to finish shopping to get snow clothes because I don't have no snow clothes, and neither do my kids because we live in Florida. V-shape reversal. Got
a lot of selling pressure.
We do have some selling pressure. I want to see a bear flag, people.
It's a bear flag.
I'll be looking for a potential move down, Mike, to be real with you. We got selling pressure. Just for me personally, for the new people in here, I trade bull flags, bear flags with momentum. That's it. So that's all I'm looking for.
That's it.
What's up, Steve?
What's happening?
All right, someone's trying to jump in the community here. I heard the ding. I heard the ding. Greg, I got you. I'm adding you right now.
Shit, man, that's my middle name.
Greg, if you're on the stream, welcome. Welcome to the stream, or welcome to the legacy. Greg, I just added you, dude. Welcome. Welcome to the family. You know what I'm saying? Mafioso, welcome to the family. You know what I'm saying? There we go. We had that bear flag print right there. And here we come. We got some momentum coming down here. It is not 9:45 yet. So that means I can't take it. But if someone doesn't have that rule of not trading until 9:45, we got a bear flag. I feel like we're going to retrace that news candle from this morning at 8:30.
Right,
I'll probably wait. I would probably take it until 154.25. This is just me talking. I'm not currently trading it myself.
Why not? I'm just kidding.
Well, I'm honoring my rules. I got to respect the rules. You know what I'm saying? But I'll tell you this: it's hard not to take it because I would already been in and out in the green right on that flag right there. So. Tonight, 9:30 p.m. Eastern, we got the Traders Hangout. And tomorrow's stream will be usual, our normal 9:20 a.m. Eastern till 11:30. Tomorrow's stream will not be getting cut short. Today, it is, sadly. I got to get stuff handled before the family flies out tonight.
Cut up about it, sucker.
Huh?
I say you're real cut up about it, ain't you, sucker?
I am, man. I am. Not going to lie.
NGL, motherfucker.
Morning.
Good morning, sir.
I made 1,009 on that move right now.
There we go, sir. Congrats. Make sure you put it in the discussion in the community, bro.
I caught a
Like,
retrace.
if you guys keep calling out how much you're making and you're not posting it, I'm going to post in the chat in the community. If you don't post it, it's not real. It has to be like back in the day. If it wasn't Facebook official for your relationship, it wasn't real. All right? Just saying.
We got some new people in the chat, huh? There's 7 people. Let's see who this is there.
We do got people in the chat.
We got Big G, which also goes by 3G. We got 3G, which is Carmona. So they're gonna the 2 3Gs. We got iPad 7. That's my favorite. Who the fuck is that? iPad 7, yo. That's like one of those 90 rap names that like goes nowhere. It's like, boy, that didn't age well.
That's funny.
And we're still coming down. Like, man, I guess flags do pay. And hey, if you missed the first flag, it's okay. You wanna know why? The market likes to repeat itself.
Can you say that again? I couldn't hear it.
I'll say for the people in the back of the class here, the market likes to repeat itself. So with that being said, if you did not catch that first bear flag, wait for the second bear flag. And that's it. That's all we do. Trading is so simple
I'll leave it alone.
when you keep it simple. You gotta keep it simple. Trading's so easy,
For the day already.
but we make it difficult.
Okay, you just pick up another eval and pass that one too, Jive Turkey.
Well, I can't trade till 9:45.
I'm talking to Moose.
How much you made, Moose?
He made over a G already.
Woo-wee. Let's go.
I love to see the family winning each and every day. This is what I live for, seeing y'all win.
You caught that retrace, huh?
Yeah, he took that pullback.
Ooh, yeah.
Hey, so like
Big drop.
So,
This is
so
going
Big
lower too.
G. Big G, it's like your name is 3G because you cut the 3G and Carmona is 3G. So it's like we got to figure out alternate sub names for you both.
Well, I was the first G, so I'll go by that.
The first G. The first
Oh, my bad.
G.
I'm over here talking. And
The OG.
I was talking and I didn't realize my mic was off.
Yeah. You were having a background conversation, so I muted you.
No, I didn't. I'm by myself.
Oh, you must have been talking to Alexa or something because.
It was the voices. It was the voices in his head, man. They were getting loud.
Hey G, I jumped in at 9:36, got out 9:39. I made 1,009.
I don't believe it. I don't see in the discussion. So
I caught that little retrace. I'll put it up in a minute. How do you do? You go to Mighty?
Yep.
every time you.
Go to discussions and you post it.
It's like grandparents trying to figure out social media. So what did you put on this Twit thing? What is it? TikTok? Like the
All right, looking like another bear flag right there.
Mighty.
I need the bulls to hold the price. We're right here at 9:44. I'm clear to trade at 9:45. I need the bulls to hold the price up so I can jump in on this. Because this would be bear flag number 2.
Oh, yes, it is. Yes, it is. Oh,
Want to see that momentum, but I need it. I need the momentum to wait 15 more seconds. Come on, bulls, hold that price. Hold it, boys. Hold that price up. All right. Well, all right. 9:45 just hit. So officially cleared to trade. Why do you wait for 9:45? Well, Greg, I'm waiting the first 15 minutes of market open. That's 9:30 and 9:45 for the market to settle and kind of pick what direction it wants to move in. Because in that first 15 minutes, it's extremely volatile. So why jump in when it's at its craziest? You know what I'm saying? Like we gotta trade smart. And for me personally, whenever I wait till 9:45 to start to execute trades, I trade better as well. So that's just what works for me. If you trade before that, that's completely fine as well. You gotta find what works best for you. Some people, they can trade right from market open. Other people, they need to trade at 10 o'clock. This thing is so trading is personal. So you figure out what works for you and you just do it each and every day consistently and you will win. There we go. Starting to get that flag right there. Want to see some momentum to the downside. We tapped that line. I'm not in yet. I want a nice push through with follow through.
I caught another 160 on that. So I'm
getting ready to kill this one.
It just rebound right up. We're gonna wait. Are you gonna wait to get out of the 15-minute? Maybe it'll push that.
Just closed out on that one. Didn't get the push. That's an eval, by the way. I'm not trading funded accounts. For me personally today, it's not a day for me to be actually trading. But I took a stab at it in an eval, not my fundeds.
How do you do this?
Moose, you still try to do that, dude?
I am. I'm so confused.
I'm gonna have to set up a special call for Moose to help him.
Yeah, have you ever
Jesus?
You ever Facebook, just do the same thing. Stuck up.
Yo, I'm not even kidding. I don't even know how to do this. You go to discussion, right?
Yeah.
And then you'll see like an icon in it to make a post.
And then you put in. There's a smiley face. There's a little talk thing. Let me see. Put that comment, mark, share, post, share. No, I don't want to share that. And then
No, you're not gonna.
dots up top. I don't know how to do this. I feel like a retard. Oh, the little pencil. Okay.
Yep. Good job. There we go. Morning, Dre. Good morning, sir.
Oh man, now I'm mad. How do you put the picture? No.
Still feeling a bear flag right here.
Photos. Okay.
We do have that wick on the bottom, but want to push through that line once again. I want to clear that wick. I need the follow through.
I like how he did it. I could see it.
I figured it out.
I like how Moose is like talking himself through it. It's very like awesome.
Like an old parent, you know what I'm saying?
I talk to myself and answer.
I saw that. It was like a whole conversation. I didn't want to interrupt.
They say it's normal to talk to yourself.
I don't know who said that.
You know, you answer yourself. That's a little different. You know?
Excuse me.
Why he was on mute.
Coming right back down to my yellow line.
Okay, so it's sell.
Yo, it's gonna come down. I think it might come down to 152 because there's a 30 EMA on that.
I would honestly be waiting till 154
I told you
because we need to clear. I want to clear that bottom wick on 154.
Oh, it's coming down.
We did just break out of the opening range.
Yes, we did.
So be prepared for the quick pullback to the 15-minute range before we continue down. There we go. Back into the 15-minute range right there. Guys, I'll always preach this. Pick one thing you trade. It could be gold, Nasdaq, Bitcoin, what, pick it and learn how it moves. Don't just be jumping around to all these different ones. Pick one, learn how it moves, so that way you know exactly what it's trying to do every single day, right? So we broke out of the 15-minute range there to the downside. But since this is what I trade each and every day, I know whenever we do that first initial breakout, we always pull right back into it. It's only 20% of the time that we just push out and never go back to it.
Yeah. Hey, you know, you were talking about moves. There at the end of day 3 vlog, you actually are on camera dancing.
I was dancing. You are correct.
And it kind of, you know, I mean, I just want to warn the people out there if they happen to catch that part. You know, it should have like a government message.
Yeah, if you guys haven't checked out the vlogs yet from Mexico, definitely check them out. Gonna be dropping some vlogs probably end of next week from Boston.
Another potential bear flag on that 2 minute.
Yeah, it's honestly just waiting right now. Just waiting. Want to get below the 154 for a short.
Ooh.
We do have the VWAP creeping up as well. VWAP is currently sitting at 142.25. 142.25.
I'm good. I think I'm done trading.
So the bottom of that.
Bro, you should already been done. You made it 1,100 or 1,000. $1,000 a day. $1,000 a day keeps the bills away, people.
Yeah, I made 1,092 right now.
Awesome.
Oh, good. I'm telling you, those. Sometimes, I mean, it doesn't always happen, but those retraces during market open, they're good, man. They do really good.
For today, since I'm jumping off at 10, who wants to be the host of the Legacy stream?
I'll do it.
Okay.
I nominate OG.
Yeah, I gotta go too. I gotta go to work. Until I can do this for a living, I have to unfortunately go see people. I love you, Duane. You're the man.
I was gonna ask you to come over here today and cut my hair, but you just said you don't want to see no people.
I got no, you know.
That's
We're doing
hilarious.
Saturday, right?
No, I need Monday.
Huh?
Monday.
Okay, I'll do Monday. But listen, Monday, if I'm not open, then I'll do it in your house. Is that all right?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right, cool.
And it doesn't, honestly, on Monday, it doesn't matter what time either.
Okay, sounds good.
Anytime
I'll do
Monday.
it after trading.
Okay.
Job, turkey.
For everyone in the chat, everyone listening to this conversation, me and Moose, like putting our schedule together here. Moose is my barber. You know what I'm saying? He gives me the tightest fade a brother could get. You know what I'm saying? He gives me the fresh baldy and trims the beard.
Yeah,
You know.
That fade, I mean, he fades it to the skin, baby. I mean, it's incredible.
Oh my God, it's going up. This is nice right here, though.
We're in the middle of the 15-minute range. So, with that being said, do not diddle in the middle, people. Like, let's push away from the middle of the 15-minute range before you try executing a trade. Trust me. I've been chopped up plenty of times in the middle of the 15-minute range.
We don't want
Mike, you just tried to join Legacy. I didn't hear anything ding. Let's see what we got going on here. Oh, you did join. I got you right now, dude. Adding you right now. You're officially in. That little ding you just heard was congratulations. You're in the community now, Mike. Mike, so when I get off in the community, there's a live trading tab. Click there and you can join the Zoom call with the guys. Because they'll still be trading even though I'm getting off.
You're going to stay till 10:30?
Definitely not. I got to get out of here at 10.
10:21?
I'll do 10, 10:01. 10:01. That's it.
It's setting up for a move. It's like going to be like a slow pitch. You're going to knock it out of the park. Grand slam home run.
I get that, but like I said, I'm not sure if you're already in here, Steve.
We're going up already.
Anyone here from BP? He posted in the community yesterday. He had a winning trade yesterday on his one trade he took after the stream. So he posted that. He jumps in and out. He's a wild man. He's all over the place. So, but I'm sure Brett will probably hear from him like tonight on the Traders Hangout. I want to say I feel like he jumped into one of the chats maybe last night. I forget.
Yeah, too much sparkling water again.
Too much.
Flag on the barbie.
It's building. It's trying to build on the 5. You are correct.
I think it'll come down a little bit more.
As a trader, people, you gotta learn yourself and know yourself. So for me personally, today, to be real with you guys, I'm not mentally there to be placing trades a day. You know, everyone has like one of those days when they feel like life is lifing. That's the day I'm having today. So
Life is life.
life is lifing. And when life is lifing, sometimes it's better not to risk being in the markets. That's why I have not traded any of my funded accounts. But I'm honestly proud of myself because I'm finishing the year learning more and more about myself just to set me up even better for 2026. Whole goal for this thing is to learn how to trade and continue to get better. That's it. My brother from outside of Austin, you know, BP's in the chat.
Oh no.
BP, Brett was concerned about you, dude. He was like, has anyone heard from BP? You know? That's awesome. That's awesome. Your ears must have been ringing. We were talking about you. All right, BP's here. He said everyone go long 15 contracts deep. That's what he just said in the chat. Understandable, sir. Understandable. It happens. No, don't say no, BP. I heard you say go long 15 contracts full port.
Only 15, you sissy.
Man, the whole crew's here. We got the whole crew on the YouTube, the whole crew in Legacy. We're all here. Yeah, I'm disappointed that I gotta dip out of here. We got Chip in the chat. Well, welcome. Actually, question: who's Chip and who is iPad 7? Can you guys see this? Yes, I can see it. Welcome, Michael.
I want to know who all the people in the chat are. Do you want to introduce them to the class?
Yep. So Chip, that's Michael. He literally just joined the Legacy like 2 minutes ago. He's in. He's in the family, people. And then I do not know who iPad 7 is. I do not know who that one is.
That's iPad 7. Never seen it?
There's 6 other ones somewhere. And who else is there? There's Moose.
Entry at 248. You know what I'm saying? Like, yeah. 6'7", 6'7". That's awesome.
Who got in at 248?
I know. BP's talking about the entry would have been at 248 on the Renko bars.
Ooh. I still feel like it's gonna dump. This is gonna sell.
Wow. Mike making that money today. Good job, sir. If you can, post that in the community. I know you're new. Post that in the discussion. That's where everyone posts their wins, losses, and everything in between. Love to see the results, dude. Love to see that. Happy for you. iPad 7 is JB. Well, what's up, JB? All All right, BP, you don't got stun on us too hard now. You don't got stun on us too hard. BP's up 20 days straight. He's a trading machine, people.
He goes incognito too with his iPad. He's like a CIA iPad. He's got 7 iPads at once going. That's balling right there.
$20 days. Well, congratulations, sir.
Okay, look like it's about to go to that the 300s.
It's gonna touch the daily EMA.
Well, at this point, I want to say
300. Yeah, just touched it.
the target would be the 329, the high of that 15-minute range.
It's gonna be trace it back down.
The Lux Algo bot. You never know, so that could be one of his models. The Lux Algo 15 tap robot killing algo. Bro, we're just trying to live up to your hype, dude. That's it. That's it, man. The 15 tab. Don't worry about the 6 or the 7. It's all about the 15 tab. Oh, man, the time flew by. That was quick. It's already 10:01. I'm actually sad. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, wait, you said you should at least see if it's going to be an upper breakout so you can start dancing again.
I'm not going to start dancing on stream tonight or today. That's only for vlog videos when no one's really watching.
Look at that 30-minute. It's closed with a doji.
Well, for the people on the YouTube stream, I got cut out of here. I'll be back. Everything will be normal tomorrow and for tonight's stream at 9:30 p.m. 9:30 p.m. Eastern, Traders Hangout. Tomorrow morning stream will be our normal stream. I'm not jumping off. Got nothing but love for you as well, my brother from Canada. Nothing but love, Brett. Same for you, BP. Appreciate you jumping in here. If you guys want to continue with the community, jump on the trading tab, click the link to get in on the Zoom call with them. So all you guys can still trade and talk and vibe together, even though I'm not going to be here. With that being said, Legacy, love you boys, ladies, love all you guys. Stay safe in the markets. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. And I'll go 15 contracts if BP says to go. So just saying. Well, BP, it's always a pleasure seeing you in the chats and on the calls, everything like that. So you guys have a great one. I'll see you guys later tonight. Stay safe in the markets, people.
See you later, Dan.
All right, guys. G, I'm sending the call over to you.
Alrighty.
I think we're coming down a little bit.
Coming down.
All right, YouTube. I'm out. Appreciate you. I'll see you later tonight. Be blessed.